In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Temu website and successfully place an order. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you have a smooth and hassle-free shopping experience. So, let's dive right in. To start, open your preferred web browser. In this case, we'll be using Chrome, but the same steps apply no matter which browser you choose. Type in the web address www.temu.com in your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once you arrive at the site, you'll want to log into your account. If you haven't registered yet, click on the Sign Up option and follow the prompts to create an account. Having an account will unlock all the features needed for a full shopping experience. Now that you're logged in, it's time to explore. Take some time to browse through the different categories and products available. This part is fun. Add anything that catches your eye to your cart. Once you're satisfied with your selections and ready to review them, look for the cart icon in the top right corner of the screen, click on it, and you'll be taken directly to your cart page. On the cart page, you can take stock of all the items you've added. This is your chance to make sure you have everything you intended to buy. If your cart is full, it might be a good idea to tick the boxes next to the items you definitely plan to purchase. This way, you can keep track of your priorities as you proceed. Feeling good about your selections? Great, then it's time to move on to the checkout process. Scroll to the bottom of your cart page and you'll find the checkout button. Give that a click and you're on your way to completing your purchase. Shipping details come next. Here, you'll need to enter your delivery address. Precision is key, as any mistake might lead to delivery hiccups. Double check all the details to ensure your package finds its way to you without any trouble. Next up is payment. Temu provides a range of options to suit your preferences. You can choose from credit or debit cards, PayPal, Gcash, or another secure payment method. If you're opting to pay by card, having it ready will save you time. Before you complete your order, it's essential to look over the order summary. This section will show all the items you've chosen, their quantities, your delivery address, and the final price, including taxes and shipping fees. Go through this carefully to ensure everything is correct and that you're okay with the total cost. Once you're confident that everything is in order, click the Place Order button, and there you have it. You're done. You've just successfully placed an order on Temu. Congratulations. I hope this step-by-step walkthrough makes your online shopping easier and more enjoyable. Thanks for joining us today, and happy shopping.